Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we see tech in everything. In today's video, we are thrilled to introduce you to Instagram Threads, an app designed to enhance your communication through text. And we will walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to use this application. Whether you are new to the app or looking to make the most of its features, we have got you covered. Let's get started. Instagram Threads is a standalone messaging app developed by Instagram. It focuses on text-based sharing and enables you to connect with your close friends in more personal and dedicated way. Whether you are a creator or a casual poster, Threads provides a separate space to share updates, engage in conversations, and connect with like-minded individuals. The first step is to download and install the Instagram Threads app on your mobile device. You can find the app on Apple App Store for iOS users or the Google Play Store for Android users. Once downloaded, open the app and log in using your Instagram credentials. After logging in, it's time to customize your Threads profile. You can choose to use your existing Instagram username and verification or create a unique profile specifically for Threads. Customize your profile picture, bio, and any other details you wish to include. Instagram Threads integrate with your Instagram close friends list. To sync your close friends, tap on the setting icon in the right corner, select Add Friends, and choose the friends you want to include. This ensures that you are connecting with the people who matters most to you. Starting a thread allows you to share what you are up to with your close friends. To start a thread, tap on the notepad icon at the bottom of the screen, add text, emojis, or photos to your thread, and then tap Done to share it with your friends. You can now go back to your profile and check out the thread. Privacy is important, and Instagram Threads provide options to manage your privacy and settings. Tap on the settings icon in the top right corner to access various options. Here you can control who can mention or reply to you, add hidden words to filter out specific replies, and manage other privacy related settings. To stay updated and discover new content, explore the feeds in Threads. The feed includes threads posted by your close friends and recommended content for new creators you may be interested in. Scroll through the feed, engage with the content, and discover new conversations and connections. Congratulations! You have learned how to use Instagram Threads effectively. By following these steps, you can personalize your profile, sync your close friends, share status updates, communicate privately, and explore the feed for new content. We hope this step-by-step guide has been helpful to you. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.